What is the value of the expression below? The absolute value of negative 8 plus 4 minus the absolute value of 3 minus 9, and then we close that last absolute value. Wow, that's a lot of absolute values. So if you want to pause the video and try to work the problem now, you can do so. Okay, so for us, the absolute values, they work kind of like parentheses, except once we simplify what's inside of them, we then have to find the absolute value of that number. So I'm going to copy this down. We've got the absolute value of negative 8 plus 4, and then we have to subtract the absolute value of 3 minus 9, and then we want to find the absolute value of all of that in the end. So we'll start here with the red. I've got inside of those absolute values negative 8 plus 4. When I perform negative 8 plus 4, that gives me a value of negative 4. And then when I take the absolute value of negative 4, that's just going to be 4. So now I have the absolute value of 4 minus, and then do the same with the green. 3 minus 9, that gives negative 6. Well, the absolute value of negative 6 would be just 6. And again, there's a built-in negative here between them, so I bring that down. And then I have those outside absolute values still here. Now, what is 4 minus 6? That is negative 2. And then when I take the absolute value of negative 2, that leaves just 2. So the correct answer here should be D, which is 2.